Hey guys, this is Abia in video 2 for Google Calendar. If you haven't yet watched video 1, which shows you how to sign in and shows you how to change your calendar visibility and settings, please go ahead and do that. So here we're going to create a calendar event. From the calendar, we're going to roll over to the Create button on the left-hand side and click on that. Then to make things just a little bit easier, we're going to go to More Options and click on that. This provides us an expanded page that walks us through the steps. First, we want to add a title to the meeting, so we can go ahead and click on Add Title and then type in the name of your meeting. Then we want to set the date and time. So if we click on the date here, it's going to show us a calendar, and then we can pick the date that we want. Click on the start time. Scroll to find the time that you want. And then click on the end time. And it'll show you the options for 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, etc. If this is an all-day event, you can click on all day. If not, you can deselect it. If this meeting repeats, you can click on Does Not Repeat and the drop-down arrow here. And it gives you the option for daily, weekly, monthly, etc. If not, just click on anywhere else on the page. Next, you want to add a guest. So hover over to Add Guests, type into the text box here, and just start typing in the name of your guest. And then click on their name. If you see the moon here, this is telling us that the set time and date of this meeting is outside of regular working hours. To change that, we can go to Find a Time, and it will show your availability and the availability of your guest. So you can click on a box or write on the date where you are both available, and then go back to Event Details. You will notice that the date and the time of the meeting automatically changed. If this is an in-house meeting and you need to book a room or a conference room, go over to Rooms, and it will automatically display the rooms that are available. Go ahead and click on the name of the room, and then go back to Guests. You will see that the room is now listed. If this is a virtual meeting, then you want to go to Add Conferencing, click on the drop-down arrow, and then select Hangouts Meet. To see the video details, or the Hangouts details, you can click on the drop-down arrow here, and it says View Conference Details. And then it displays the link and the phone number for the conference call, as well as the PIN. Every event is automatically set for 10 minutes to be notified before the meeting. You can change that. You can change the amount of time, as well as change this to hours, days, or weeks. And then on the bottom here, you can add a description of the meeting. Once you're done, you can go ahead and click Save. It's going to ask if you would like to send an invitation email to your guests, which you probably do, so go ahead and click Send. In this case, I'm going to click Don't Send. And the meeting is now available on my calendar.